May request the captain ball for both teams. Again, I request the captain ball for both teams to please proceed within service. Captain ball for your first five. Alright, requesting the captain ball for both teams to please be here, Santa Vista, for your first five. And of course, we are live tonight. Sa ganahan mo tanaw sa replay sa mga dula, i-search lang ang Facebook page ni Bronomers Adventure. And paliwala po ko follow, like, subscribe, o unsa pa, comment, maglagay ng bakas. Huwag kalimutan na
mag-iwan na bakas. Yes, that's right. Shout out, mga medic. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Hi, good evening. Game 2 na mga idol.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Nino, Nino. Okay, ulit na nila. Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the game 2 for your basketball championship 40 above. And later on, for our second game, will be our championship for our 39 and below. So, is our 40 up, and here's your finalist. Supply Chain Dragons versus Engineering Tigers. Let's meet the starters. First, for your Supply Chain Dragons. Guard, jersey number 1, Chuan. Another guard, jersey number 5, Olago. Forward, jersey number 6, Buntuyan. Another forward, jersey number 56, Monte. Under center, jersey number 47, Duterte. And for Engineering Tigers, guard, jersey number 9, David Dig. Another guard, jersey number 20, Dion. Forward, jersey number 21, Devon. Another forward, jersey number 23, Fonseca. And their center, jersey number 47, Magdamit.
Shout out Hannah Marella, Soico Valley. Happy birthday.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, are you all ready?
Yes. Yes, we are.
Arinig ito. Jump ball between Duterte and Mondragon. Our first position is for the Engineering Tigers.
Shout out Yagong, Joshua Develo Yagong. Shout out ko idol na ako 40 ups si Sir David Gobiso.
There's a steal almost, but the target there to secure the ball and shot for the first point. No good. Rebound by Gonzaga. Aras by Monte. Gonzaga pass to Dalik Dig. Jump that down to 15. There's a foul. Jersey number 5, Olavo. First personal foul, first team foul. The Joker,
Dian. Yes, 2 points, Dian.
First basket of the game for jersey number 21, the Joker.
Score 2-0.
Here comes time. Crosses to the line. Duterte for 3. Masyadong mahirap. Same one. Those remains to supply chain dragons. Monte to Duterte.
Palagay siya naman sa live mga idol. Sa mga nagtanaw diha, mayong gabi kaninyo, no?
Kuya to Kulalho.
Yes, 2 points. Kolalo.
By Kulalho, 2 points. Darling Dick to Dihan. Dihan. Here's a foul. Jersey number 1, lucky foul. Charm. First personal foul, 17 foul. The Joker, number 2, here's a foul. 56.
Score, tabla 2.
Channel Supply Chain Dragons. First personal foul by Monte, 13 foul.
Oh, okay na. Okay na. Oh. Di na makuha ba? Wala. Kaya oras mo eh. Oh. Okay na, klaro na dire. Klaro na. Oh. Ayun.
Back to the ball game.
Shout out Edmar Aligato. Hit. Mayong gabi idol. Score tabla 2.
Shut that down to 14. Darling Dick and body pass to Joker. Joker for 3.
Wala.
Rebound by Chan. Chan long pass to Monte. Masyadong lakas.
Out of bounds. Ay,
Dihan in body ball pass. Back to Dihan. The Joker with Darling Dick. Back to the Joker. The Joker drives. Mandat.
Dihan.
There's a foul.
Foul.
Foul. Jersey number 47, Duterte. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Shot clock down to 5. Again, 5. Our shot clock will reset to 14 seconds.
Palagay siya sa live mga idol.
No good. Second row prepare.
Shout out sa mga nagtanaw sa live diha. Mayong gabi kaninyong tanan mga idol. Fighting for champion, game 2 na ta mga idol.
Corrects 50%.
By the movement, lead sa ni nga one.
By the Joker. John.
Chen, jersey number 1.
Diaz to Duterte. Duterte. Almost. Shot clock down to 15. There's the foul. Diaz. Number 20, Diaz. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Bontuya. First row connects. Second row prepare for the rebound.
Okay. Score na to. 4-3 mga idol. Pabor sa Supply Chain Dragons mga idol by the Windman.
The Joker behind the back. Almost a steal. Also Maglangit job.
Yes, 2 points. Maglangit. Score 5-4. Oras 2 minutes and 30 seconds sa the first quarter.
What a nice move. Chan to Monty. Monty to Lutuyan. Lutuyan back to Chan. Shot lock down to Chan. Rebound by Monty. Pass to the Joker.
The Joker.
3 versus 2. The Joker. Nugget. Rebound by Fonseca.
Not count.
Duterte.
Duterte.
Duterte job. Nice shot to the box. Oh, Dion. The Joker. Straight up. Oh, oh. Chan. Chan the ball it. Chan. Finger step. Nugget. There's a foul. Foul, jersey number 47, Duterte. Penalty.
Score 5-4.
Foul, Duterte.
First quarter na ito mga idol. Ito score 5-4 at oras 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time.
Auto score 4-5 in favor of Engineering Tigers. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Fonseca. Nugget.
Score 6-4. 6-4 the score. Pabor sa Engineering mga idol.
Ronaldo.
Holalho 2 points. Tabla 6 sa the score.
The Joker. Oh,
Nice. Grabe. Oy. The Joker. Jersey number 21.
1 minute and 16. Olalo. To Duterte.
Duterte to Colalho. Nice pass ni Duterte to Colalho. No?
Grabe yun.
Score 8 tabla.
The Joker. Dion. Aras by Monte. Shut that down to 9.
Ponchica.
Fonseca.
No good.
Galing day to Diaz. But there's some foul.
Score na to tabla 8 mga idol. Oras 30 segundos.
Second personal foul, second team foul.
Shoutout sa mga taga-engineering o sa mga taga-supply chain na nagtala sa live karong gabi una. Maayong gabi kayo nito.
25. 20. Shot lock down 15. Foul, jersey number 47, Maglangit. First personal foul, 13 foul. 14 segundos.
Grabe ka, di kita tandua mga idol. 8 tabla sa ato first quarter.
Montoya. Olalo. Foul. 47 Duterte. Third personal foul, penalty. Penalty. Oras. 7 seconds.
Game to na ni. Ato ang duwa ra mga idol game 2. Pero merong ang lead ani kuan ang Bayder Movement no. Edmar Aligato idol hit. Score 9-8.
4 segundos. And the first quarter, atong score 8-9 in favor of Engineering Tigers.
Basag ko speaker. Ari ko tunga. Ay, Char. Kumputi ka sa din. Palagan siya naman sa live mga idol.
Alright, now to the voting for our
Next game na to mga idol, Sun Pride versus Supply Chain Dragons. Bioderm. Game 2 gihapon mga idol.
second time, please proceed to
Pabor sa Bioderm mga Mark Campos, shout out idol from UEC unahon sa Aglayan.
Clara 73.
Nigel Daniel Carolasan, nasa Loraca, B idol.
For supply chain, there's number 23. There's the number talikod sa kanila. Okay, give them.
Dandula, 2, Pipito. Wala.
Loose ball. Go.
Score na to, 9-8, pabor sa engineering mga idol.
Malazarte.
Malasarte, yes. 2 points, Malasarte. Jersey number 10.
Eagle.
Igot, jersey number 3.
Shut that down deep. Velasco. Eagle. Sa ilalim do
Angel. Ay, okay. Nagawan.
Traveling violation committed by Malazarte. Eagle. There's a ball.
Counted foul.
Open foul. Counted. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 14.
Score on CG's mga idol. Pabor sa engineering.
Bonus roll connects.
2 CG's mga idol.
Ibito. Ibito jump. No good. Rebound by Batipa. Ibito. Jump ball.
Jump ball.
Engineering
Engineering ball.
Tigers. Katibay going to go pass to Eagle. Eagle crosses in the line. To Velasco. Back to Eagle. Eagle jump.
2 points, Igot. Score 14 G's mga idol.
Pipito.
Pabor sa engineering.
Number 17.
Illegal traveling violation.
By Gina Yoa. Katibay, pass to Velasco. Velasco back to Katibay. Shut down now the team. Velasco, no good. Rebound by
Malandron.
Gina Yoa. to Pipito. Pipito spin up. Fake. Oh! Velasco. What a nice pass to Katipay. Angel. Over again. Wait. Katipay. Wait. There's a steal. Malazarte.
Counted.
Basket count.
Score 12-14.
Talent Engineering Tigers. Anong oras?
Shoutout Jewel Colalo. Shoutout ko sa mga opaw diha.
Anong score?
Mga opaw.
12.
Cheer for team winner and number 17, Zandi Bathan from Flor Dilin Ochike Bathan. Katorse 12 ato ang score mga idol. 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining time sa ato second quarter.
For our second quarter with time remaining 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Bonus row for Malazarte.
Complete.
Complete 3 box for Malazarte.
13-14 na score. Igot to Angel. Velasco to Igot.
Shot that down to 3. Katipay.
Katipay.
Shot that down to 10. There's a block. Malazarte. To Gidayawan.
No good.
Katipay na po rin si Katipay.
Fast to the referee. Score to 14-13.
Gidayawan. What a nice look. 2 points.
2 points, Malazarte.
Velasco babawi. Velasco. Foul. Oh, hindi ko.
Score, labaw na ang Supply Chain Dragons mga idol. 15-14. 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining time sa atong second quarter mga idol. Shoutout sa mga nagtanaw sa itong live. Taga Parma Dela. Shoutout yung mga idol. Production.
Shut that down for D.
Igot.
Rebound by Velasco.
Igot.
There's a steal. There's a loose ball. Shut that down to 5. Foul. Here's the number 10.
Shoutout Jusa. Shoutout akong boss Charlie Velasco, Sir from Bukya og Maini. Yeah, shoutout mga idol. Palay share naman sa to live mga idol, no? Daghang salamat sa inyong padayon nga support natin sa to pag live diri sa IPIT Mandawi, Cebu.
Foul. Here's the number 17. Gidayawan. Warning for penalty. Katipay, No good.
No good. Nakuha niya Malasarte.
Pipito.
Intercept. 2 points. Jersey number 24. Luardo.
Ladula.
Out of bounds. Score 16-15.
Time remaining 40 seconds.
Score 16-15 mga idol. In favor of Engineering Tigers.
Size 15. 35. Tranga. 14 seconds to shoot.
2 points. Velasco. Jersey number 27. Score 18-15.
20. 13. 10. 5.
3 seconds.
5 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Remaining time. 3 segundos. End of the second quarter. Adult score. 15. DC Otso in favor of Engineering Tigers.
Shout out Victoria Dayan again. Shout out Neil Vincent Palangan the second. Shout out ko sa ADP nga nag-invoice ron. Invoice eh? No, shout out. Palay kayo sa live mga idol. Okay, next game na to mga idol. Sun Pride versus Warehouse Supply Chain mga idol. Happy Halloween no mga idol.
Engineering Tigers. Hello sa Captain Ball sa Engineering Tigers. To clarify your number of players.
Shout out ya Ma'am Jusa. Thank you so much sa mga nagtanaw sa tong live. Back naman may pailaw dyan. This game was sponsored to you by Efficacent Oil Regular mga idol. Kung kinsay ganahan niya mag-haplas no? Haplas na mo sa Efficacent Oil. Ganahan mo wag tang yung mga pamaol ya. Shout out Xander Laurito. Shout out ni Mayo Leto Gidayawan Idol. Jose Miguelien. Shout out Dieter Espinosa Florida. Shout out Idol.
Alright, sunod ang remaining players na yung tunan sa first quarter ng mga players.
Mga taga-engineering din ano.
Remaining players, sunod.
Palike and share sa long live mga idol. Okay, naabot na ito ang mga players sa second game mga idol. Gipangunahan ni Mr. Escobar Jersey number 18. Third quarter na ito mga idol. Let's
Yan! Lord God!
Shout out. Subscribe din naman.
Ang pinaka-cute na mo sa HRDC. Ikot na siya.
Alright.
Okay, sige, okay, sige.
Now take up again for our third quarter.
Okay, time.
McLaughlin inbounding the ball, pass to the Joker. Pass to Fonseca, back to the Joker, fires for three. Okay, rebound by Fonseca, but there's a loose ball.
Oh, out of bounds.
Change the Ruggers. Tutuyan, inbound ball pass to Villanueva. Villanueva.
Klaro na ba itong live mga idol?
Shot back down to 18.
Di na ba lag diha?
Oh, Fonseca secures the ball. Now cover it. Fonseca spin move. Ready? Spin move. There's no foul.
Foul ang inabot. 18-15 to score in favor of Engineering Tigers mga idol.
Foul jersey number 11, Villanueva, pushing foul. Pipito. Inbound ball pass to number 18. John
2 points, jersey number 18.
18 for Vendetta. 7-11. Villanueva crosses to the line. Villanueva, no pass, but there.
Out of bounds.
Ball. Ball's on Engineering Tigers. McLaughlin, drop.
No good. Score 20-15 mga idol. Pabor sa Engineering ang score mga idol.
11, Villanueva. Second personal foul, second team foul. Among score, 15-20. In favor of Engineering Tigers. The Joker, followed by Villanueva and Bukuya. Crossing. There's a double team. There's a loose ball. Goes against Engineering Tigers. Shot clock down to 10. Again. 10 seconds shot clock. Pipito. 2 balls.
2 points, Pipito. Score 22-15 mga idol.
Villanueva crosses to the line. Shot clock down to 10. Try. Shot clock down to 5.
Naubusan ng oras mga idol. Luya, luya.
PNC 22. The Joker. The Joker crosses to the line. Around by Villanueva, pass to Fonseca. Fonseca by this time. Shot clock down to 13. There's a steal! Wait, what? Pipito, there's a steal! Villanueva is there. Villanueva to John. John! Magkauban ang foul! Foul, jersey number 10.
Foul counted. May kauban pang foul. Real Nathan Pindon Diniega. Third quarter na mga idol sa mga bago pa nakastanaw sa itong live. Third quarter na. Score na 22-17 mga idol. Oras 2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining time.
Final score, DC City, 22. McLaughlin, there is a backcourt pressure. Pipito, there's number 10, not foul on the left. What a nice pass!
Grabe, nice pass. Score 24-17 mga idol.
Polano. Polano, Buntuyan for three.
Bang! Jersey number 6, Buntuyan. Score 20-24.
Pass to Borrentera. Babawa.
No good.
Buntuyan secures the ball. Buntuyan to Polano.
2 points. Colalho. Grabe ay. Score 24-22. Duha na lang labaw. Grabe. Basket count.
Uban pang foul. Foul. Jersey number 11. Villanueva. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Score 26-22 mga idol. Oras 1 minute and 47 seconds remaining time.
Throw for the Joker.
Okay, kompleto. Score 27-22.
Supply chain.
Idol.
Oras na bilhin. Ono, 47. Other score. 90. Yes. 90 City.
Score 27-22 mga idol.
Shot clock out within. Villanueva. Airball.
No good.
The Joker. There's a loose ball.
Oras na bilhin na 1 minute and 31 seconds.
Pass to Pipito.
Pipito.
There's a loose ball. Ball line.
Kalma lang na ang third. Shout out Papart.
Shot clock out.
Arnel Cañedo.
Corretera. Back to Pipito. Pipito drives. Pipito float.
No good.
Rebound.
Okay. 29-22 to score in favor of Engineering Tigers.
Pass to Chan. Chan drives. There's the foul. Jersey number 10.
1 minute and 6 seconds remaining time sa third quarter.
Second personal foul, second team foul. Bontuya. Shut that down for D. There's an airball. And remaining 57 seconds. Jersey number 5 warning for taking a foul. 50 seconds, McLaren.
2 points, maglangit. Score 31-22 sa score at mga idol sa third quarter.
There's a foul. Foul, jersey number 31, the Joker. First personal foul, third team foul. Seconds. Shot. There's a block. But there's a foul. By jersey number 18 for Mandela. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Time remaining 38 seconds. First throw connects, second throw prepare for the rebound.
Next game mga idol, Sun Pride versus Supply Chain Bioderm.
Again, rebound by Maglamet. High Sakiba rebound. And Maglamet goes again there for the second. 25. 45 seconds.
Illegal traveling violation.
Violation. That's 30 seconds. 30 segundos. Well. Last time repito. 25. 20 seconds. Magdali.
Bye. Score 33-23.
Quarter. Apple score 33 in favor of Engineering Tigers.
Shout out.
Alright, remaining timeouts for both teams. Engineering Tigers na ay tulong, Supply Chain Dragons na apay duha ka timeouts.
Okay. Time for the
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
less than final quarter, my idol.
And final quarter.
Fourth and a final quarter.
8 minutes ang atong fourth quarter. Are you all guys ready for our fourth quarter? Nino, man. And are you all ready?
Yes, we are.
Ready na sila. Ikutan na lang. Okay. Mula sa Supply Chain Dragons. Jersey number 16. Buntuyan. Pass to number 1 time. Aras by the Joker. Back to Buntuyan. Buntuyan aras by Angel. Buntuyan shot. No good. Rebound by the Joker. Here's a round by John. Grabe na yun. Here's the foul.
Foul.
Foul, jersey number 47, Maglovic. First personal foul, first team foul. Second personal foul, Maglovic, first team foul. Second throw, prepare for the rebound for Chon.
No good.
Rebound by Duterte, but Buntuyan is there. Chon na naman. Chon, side step good. Grabe yun. Buntuyan. Buntuyan secures, but Angel. Harap by 1, 2, 3. Chon.
Score 33-24 in favor of Engineering. Grabe, Richard Chen.
The Joker.
The Joker. 2 points.
The Joker.
Score 35-26.
Colado. Duterte. The Joker. Balls on supply chain Dragons. Auto score 35-26 in favor of Engineering Tigers. Tuntuya. Duterte. Duterte drives. Tuntuya secures the ball. Duterte. What a miss.
2 points.
Kadima. To the Joker. The Joker. Oh! Ronaldo! The Pisang Ikaw! Two points to Ronaldo.
Score 35-28. Oras 5 minutes and 58 seconds remaining time.
Remaining timeouts, duha-duha. Oras menabilin, panihukom yamod. 5 minutes and 53 seconds.
Oras 5 minutes and 53 seconds remaining time sa final quarter mga idol. Score 35-30. Meroy ikot shout out idol.
Down to the ballgame for our final quarter. It's already 5 minutes and 53. Kadita to Angel. Back to Kadita.
Malagay siya naman sa live mga idol.
To 18. Almost a steal. There's a foul. Jersey number 1, Chop. Second personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock down to 16. Kadita. Maglami. Velasco. Todd. Todd, runs by 1, 2, 3.
Chan, jersey number 1. To Buntuyan. Foul.
Foul. 32. Foul. Kadita. Timeout, Supply Chain Dragons. Remaining timeouts. Usa na lang sa Supply Chain.
Score 35-30 mga idol. 5 minutes and 19 seconds remaining time.
Supply Chain Dragons versus Sunpride Phoenix. Now to the ball game for our fourth and final quarter. Time remaining. 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Ating score, 30-35 in favor of Engineering Tigers. Montoya. First row connects.
First through.
Second row prepare for the rebound.
Score 31-35. It's seconds violation.
8 seconds violation for Engineering Tigers. Shut that down for team. Kalala, Tokidayama for three. Masyado malakas. There's a loose ball. Goes on.
Bayderm.
The Rockets.
Bayderm's ball mga idol. Score 35-31 na atong oras. 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Remaining time.
Kalala.
Colalho. To, number 47 na. Duterte.
Duterte. Here's a foul. Oh, jersey number 53, lucky foul. 2 shots for Duterte.
Shout out ko ni Buntuyan. Go, idol, go. Rina Villanueva, Buntuyan. Shout out.
First throw connects, second throw prepare for the rebound.
Early.
Goes on Engineering Tigers.
Score 35-32 mga idol. Atong oras 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time. Next game mga idol tayo. Sun Pride versus Bayderm. Supply Chain Dragons.
Gonzaga, what a match! Here's the foul!
Counted foul Fonchica.
Foul, jersey number 47, Duterte. Warning for
Score 37-32 sa oras 4 minutes and 43 seconds remaining time sa ato final quarter mga idol.
Angel. Rebound by number 53, but Duterte recovers. This ball goes on Engineering Tigers. Time remaining. 4 minutes and 37. Magalaro pass to the Joker. Behind. Idol. That's my 1 to 3 by Gumalo. What a nice crossover. Pass to Katibay Joel. No good. Rebound by the Power. Good This ball goes on Engineering.
Score 37-32 sa oras 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time.
Oh, jersey number 17. Personal foul, jersey number 17, Angel. But Hunt. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Duterte. Drop. Rebound. Back to 50 again. Duterte, good try. Shut that down to 8.
Counted foul. Jersey number 47. Duterte Warren. Score 37-34
Jersey number 17.
sa atong game to mga idol. Oras 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Grabe ka intense ang atong duwa mga idol. Shout out Dodong Dan Ayoko. Shout out. Score 37. 35. 2 points na lang mga idol. Oras 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time.
3 minutes and 50
Bye.
seconds. Atong score, 35-37. In head round, engineering power. Remaining timeouts, usa na lang sa engineering, usa na lang po sa supply chain ruggeds. Remaining timeouts, usa na lang both teams. Doggone engineering fighters. The Joker, the Rats. The Joker. Shot clock down to 15.
The Joker.
Shot clock down to 10. Fonseca. Jumbo. The rebound by Gila Young. Challenge there. Tunalo. Spin move. Duterte. Trigger.
Tabla ito yung score mga idol. 37. Tabla ito yung score mga idol. 37 no. At oras 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time.
Maglagan. Call jersey number 47, Duterte. Graduation time. Atong score, 30
Tabla ito yung score mga idol. 37. Oras 2 minutes and 59 seconds remaining time. Igata Gasol, PB lower ni winner Richard Chan.
Second round available to rebound.
Quintoy Bacos Delante, shout out. Jerry Gomez, shout out. Regine Garcia, shout out. Wala ang duha ka free throw mga idol.
Fonseca, into the Joker. Around by Colado. Colado to Pipito. What a nice block by Gila Young. Shot clock down.
Oras 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Atong score na tabla mga idol. 37.
The Joker, around by Colado. Shot clock down to 10.
Out of bounds. Bola sa engineering mga idol. Oras 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Tabla itong score mga idol 37. At ang inyo itong next game mga idol, Sun Pride versus Supply Chain Dragons mga idol.
City, Parinas.
Game to ni mga idol, pabor sa Supply Chain Dragons ang maong dula.
Pipito. Pass to Fonseca. To Idol. Pipito. To Fonseca. Shut that down to 15. Angel. What a nice block.
Lamang ng supply chain mga idol. Score 39-30 City.
Last 2 minutes. Setting down the 12. Setting down the 5.
One minute and 39 seconds remaining time. 39-30 City the score. Flor de Lin, Uchigig, Bathan. Go Angel, Sandy Bathan from Flor de Lin.
Your time out. Ang score 39-37. Wala ng time out ang supply chain Dragons. Ang engineering Tigers na apay usang ka-time out. Penalty situation ang engineering Tigers. Now to the ballgame. Ang oras, 1:39.
Backcourt.
Taki, violation. Pepito. Idol. Parehas by Gonzalo. Idol. David Magnangit. There's the foul.
Oras 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining time. Sabi ka intense mga duwa mga idol.
Foul, jersey number 6, Montuya.
Gerald bounce set Comeso Bahar man idol di. Action deck kabalaka man.
Time remaining. 1 minute and 22 seconds.
Score 38-39. Laban ako sa supply chain mga idol.
Prepare for the rebound. For Maglangit.
Okay, tabla natin score 39 mga idol.
Changan boleh. Changan kosong. Foul. Jersey number 10. Penalty situation. First round, no rebound.
Onang. Tera wala mga idol. Second through. Wala pa rin. Tabla ng score 39 mga idol o score. Okay. Ang score 41-39 mga idol. Labaw na ang engineering mga idol.
1 minute.
Score 43-39.
Charge. Here's the foul. Foul, jersey number 21. Second personal foul.
Score 43-39 mga idol.
37 seconds.
First throw attempt. Pasok. Score 40-43. Score 45-40. Out of bounds. Bulag abot sa Bider mga idol. Bider ointment.
Substitution. Substitution. Villanueva in open. 16 seconds.
Game 2 ni mga idol. Oh. Labaw ang Engineering Tigers.
Blue ball. 14 seconds. Hirayaman, 2 points.
2 points. 45-42. Score 45-42 mga idol. At ang itong next game mga idol. Fourth quarter ni idol. Ryan T. Bantisel. Abot na sa idol. Okay, congrats sa engineering mga idol. Game 3 kita mga idol. Okay, nagsalabas sa mga sa live. Padayon ta live niya mga idol. Sa ato ang second game, engineering. Sa Sun Pride o sa Biderm.